Okay, so I just got out of the Apple store here at the mall, and I got a case for the MacBook Air. This is about $50. You could also get it on Amazon, but I went through the Apple store just because I have the Apple card and it's just more convenient, I thought. So this is the Incase Hardshell case, 13-inch MacBook Air. Now initially when I went to the Apple store, it didn't say anything about it being for the M1 MacBook Air, but if you go down to compatibility, I think there's a drop-down menu for compatibility. You'll see there that it's for M1 and the 2020 MacBook Air as well. So yeah, so we're gonna actually open this up and we're gonna see, and I have my MacBook Air back here in my backpack. I'm about to actually go to the campus, and before I go there, I want to make sure this fits. All right, so here is the beautiful MacBook Air in pink, or it's actually gold, but it has like a pink, like rose gold almost. So we're gonna slap this on. So already it just easily slid out of the box. I didn't have to break the box or anything. And there's this like hollow box in here. Let's open up this box. All right, I just opened it. There's nothing in there. I think it was just a holder for the case. But anyways, it shows you how to actually install this, and it shows you like the back and the front, bottom, all that stuff. So yeah, just watch out for these cutouts. So there's, I'm assuming this is for, oh, that's the headphone jack, the smallest one. And then of course this other side, that's for the two Type-C ports. So be sure that's right when you do that. It's actually just snapping into place. So there's like a tab by the two Type-C ports. There's two here hugging the corner. And there's also a little lip on the case, or a little cutout on the case for the lip. And two more tabs here hugging the corner, and then next to the headphone jack there's another one, and that's about it. And then that little cutout there for the hinge and the little rubber feet, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I would assume it's the same concept. The smallest cutout here is for the headphone jack, and the biggest cutout over here is for the two Type-C connectors. We're gonna go ahead and slap this on. Let me take you through here. It's actually snapping in place as well, so that's good. Next one's right here. And that is it. That's pretty much it. Let me move my seat back. I'm in my truck right now, so I can get more room so I can open it. Wow, and it doesn't really compromise the color or anything. That's why I got the clear one, because I want the pink to show still. There was also like a black or like dark smoke option, but I didn't want to go for that because it would just I didn't think it would look good. And yeah, so, and what I really love about this actually is that it's extremely thin, so it doesn't really, like, I thought it would be like significantly thicker, or it would make the MacBook significantly thicker or harder to work with, but it's like nothing. It's like nothing's there. It's pretty cool actually. I like that. And very convenient, and it looks cool. And then also it has like these dots, if you notice, and I read something online or on YouTube where it's like for, like, I guess when the MacBook heats up, it has like paths to dissipate the air or whatever, or not the air, but the heat dissipating off of the bottom or whatnot. That helps with that apparently. So yeah. Alright, sorry guys, somebody just pulled up next to me and I thought I was going to get jumped, but I'm good. So that is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys this installation process and what I thought of it initially. And yeah, like I said, you can get this for 50 bucks on Amazon or on Apple Store, but if you have the Apple card, I recommend just going to the Apple Store and, you know, pick it up. I did a pickup today. So yeah, all right guys, thanks for watching the video. Yeah, this has been GRREZ, and I will see you guys in the next video. And actually, I might actually review this MacBook Air and just talk about the basic features and all that, just like all the other videos that you can find on YouTube, but I want to put my own twist and flavor into it. So yeah, look out for that. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.